So I've been trying to put together a video review of some sandals without making you stare at my feet too much. So here's what I came up with. These are the Bedrock Classics. They have 3 different colors to choose from. This brown pattern, one with black straps, and an olive green color. Bedrock has a couple different styles of sandals, and the Classics are their lightest, most minimal pair in their lineup. The pair they sent me, I guess, were a prototype. They're very similar to the final product, except 2 little changes. Behind the heel, they added a little pull tab, and they also added this little rubber strap, which I think would help with the only problem that I had with the sandals. Mostly I use them as casual everyday shoes, but I also use them to run a few times, and if I ran in them while wearing Injinji socks, the back strap kept sliding down off my heel, so I'd have to stop and tighten them up before each run, which wasn't a huge deal, but adjusting the fit takes a little bit of time, so I didn't really want to do that every time I wore socks. The webbing is all one piece that wraps around the entire shoe, so to adjust it, you just inchworm the strap through the little different contact points, then pull this little black tab to tighten it. They were also great to have when my sister and I spent a month in Peru. They're really compact in my backpack, and they were nice to have for taking showers at hostels. I haven't had any problems with durability or comfort, which I was worried about at first because of the little piece that goes right between your toes. It only bothered me once, but that was because sand got between the strap and my skin when I was running. And honestly, I have nothing but good things to say about them. If you're looking for a camp shoe, a minimal running shoe, or you just want to get a fancy tan line, check out the Bedrock Classics. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can check out the shoes. I'll also leave a link to my store where I've got some new prints from Canada and Peru and the Appalachian Trail if you want to check those out. And yeah, thanks for watching.